Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're continuing with the halachot of Netilat yadayim, Siman Kuf Samech Siv Bet. We're talking about now which things disqualify Netilat yadayim. So yesterday's shiur was based upon that if it changes its appearance, its color because of a dye or anything else. Now we're going to continue with water which was done a melacha to them. So here it says that any type of water that you did a melacha for it, whether it's going to be cleaning dishes, washing the clothing, or even you dipped your bread in this water, it becomes pasul for netilat yadayim. And even though there's no disqualification in the water itself, which means that the water is 100% clean in the way that itself, and it could be that you would even drink it. The reason why is because the second that you did a melacha with it, what happens is now it becomes disqualified because it becomes as if that you're going to throw away this water. It's called meshofchin. And therefore, since you're going to come and you're going to throw away this water, what happens is it becomes disqualified for netilat yadayim. Now this is only going to be if you did something b'chavana, purposely. Because if it was done not purposely, for example, a person has a clothing and it just fell into this water. You didn't have kavanah now to wash the clothing, but it got washed, right? Or you have a dish that falls inside of this water, or any other things like this. It does not disqualify it. If right now the dish was very dirty, and then what happens is the water becomes dirty, then it does become disqualified because of that now became disgusting. But if it's not, the concept of disqualifying because of melacha has to be done bechavana. Bechavana means it has to be done with a purpose to it. And if it's not done bechavana with purpose, so therefore if it's going to be accidentally that all of a sudden something came in, it is not disqualified. The last halakha will be, what about if I'm going to use this water to cool something down or to maintain the same status quo? So it's brought down in the halakha that if I had something hot, let's say a baby bottle, and this baby bottle is hot and I want to cool it down, so I put it into this water. Now remember, there's a ifsek, there's a interruption between the bottle and the water. So technically when I take out this baby bottle, this water is 100% clean. You could even you could even drink from this water. But what happens? The fact that I did a melacha to the water because I had this water here, now cool down this baby bottle, it becomes disqualified for using for netilat yadayim. There it does become disqualified because I used this water. However, though, if it's only just going to maintain the same status quo, so let's say I've got something already cold, and I'm putting it in this water just to maintain that it stays cold or it stays the same temperature, and not that it's going to become hot, that's going to be permitted, and it's not considered that I did a melacha, because for it to be considered doing a melacha, you have to actually do something which is going to be a positive action coming from it, and here I'm just leaving the same status quo. So leaving the same status quo does not consider that you did a melacha.